Let's proceed with 4.4. Prepare the journal entries to record the transactions. So, fiancé company records sales return during the year as a credit to accounts receivable. Okay. However, at the end of the accounting period, the entity that the probable sales return estimates a probable sales return and records the same by means of an allowance account. So, naa siya allowance for sales return. The following transactions occurred in summary form. So, you have sales of merchandise on account. So, you're going to prepare the entry. So, that's accounts receivable, credit, sales. Number 2, what if we collected this one within the discount period? So the terms there are 2/10 and 30, which means our customer can avail of 2% discount if it pays within 10 days from the purchase date. And if it cannot pay the entire amount on within the discount period, so therefore the customer should pay within 30 days. So how much should be the discount? The discount would be based on the 4 million. So 4 million, okay, pila may na-collect niya? Sorry. Ang iyahang na-collect di ay, wala man di na niya na-collectan nan gamay naman di ay. So magbase ta sa given nga collection. So the collection only is 1,470,000 and this was collected daw within the discount period. So therefore, the 1,470,000 is net of discount. Kay mao may na-collect nga money. So this is already net of discount. So therefore, the original amount is not 1,470,000. So it is larger than that because of the discount. So how do we compute the original nga amount niya? Okay, remember that the discount is 2%. So to get the 100%, so diba the collection is 1,470,000. So divide this by, divide this, correct sa na to. 1,470,000 divided by 98%. Because the discount is 2%, so ang mabilin is the 98%. And 1,470,000 represents the remaining 98%. Okay, so what would be the amount if we're going to divide 1,470,000 divided by 0.98? So that's 1.5 million. So that's why we credit 1.5 million and you multiply that again to by 2%. So you can check if this is correct. So that would be 30,000. And kung i-add mo ni silang duha, sakto nga 1,500,000. Question number 3, there is a collection beyond the discount period. So if this is a collection, lapas na sa discount period, so therefore there's no discount. So the amount we receive is the accounts receivable itself. So debit cash and credit accounts receivable. Question number 4, there's a granted nga sales return. So we granted our customer a return. So debit sales return and credit accounts receivable. So this is the pro forma na gini siya nga entry if there's a sales return. And as part of the net realizable value, diba, we have several allowances. So na ay allowance for freight charge, allowance for sales returns, allowance for sales discount, then we have allowance for doubtful accounts. So na ay estimated sales return, so debit sales return and credit allowance for sales return. Again, the allowance for sales return is included in the allowances that will be deducted from the accounts receivable to get the net realizable value. Let's proceed to 4-5. Okay. The requirement is prepare the entry to record the sale. That's for number 1. Number 2 is to record the receipt of payment, assuming the correct amount was received on June 25, 2020. And the third one is prepare the journal entry to record the receipt of the payment, assuming the correct amount was received on July 10. So the original data provides that the sale happened on June 15. Okay, so June 15 siya. And how many days ang iyahang discount period? So the discount period according to the terms, so that's 2/10 and 30. So meaning, susod sa 10 days, pwedeng maka-avail si customer sa discount. So, to know what is the last day of the discount period, so we just simply add 10. That's 15 plus 10, so that's 25. Meaning, the last day for the discount is on June 25. So let's go first to the first requirement, entry to record the sales, so debit accounts, receivable, credit, sales revenue, or pwede rin siya sales relargo, sales. Then, requirement 2 is prepare the entry if the collection was made on June 25. So remember, this is the last day of the discount period. So if nibayad si customer until June 25, so it means na ay na-avail nga discount si customer. So what will be the entry? So close first the amount of the accounts receivable, 4,500,000. Let us compute the discount. So the discount would be 4,500,000 times 2%. Okay, 2 man ang numerator ani. So that would be 90,000, and the remaining amount is our cash. So 4,500,000 minus 90, 4,410,000. And that will be the entry with discount. Next is, what if the correct amount was received on July 10? Remember, the last day para na ay discount is June 25, and if it's July 10, it's already overdue. Ay, not overdue, di ay kaya overdue kay mula pa sa 30 days. Wala na yung discount kung July 10 na. Kaya nilapas naman siya sa discount period. So, the last day again is June 25. So, therefore, wala na discount. So, simply close the accounts receivable and debit the total amount of 4,500,000 but without the discount. 4-6, prepare the entry to record the sale. So, sold on February 14. Okay, February 14. So, sold 50 air conditioning units. The sales price is 50,000. Okay, so 50,000 is not the total items ha. It's per air condition. So, therefore, ang total nga nahalin is 50,000 times 50. So, pila man na siya? 250 times 50,000 times 50. So that's 2,500,000. Okay. All of these are subject to 2/10. By the way, ang 4-5 di ay uses gross method. And for this one, the terms is 2/10 and 30, but net method. Okay, remember, what is net method? Pag net method is minusan na daan og discount. Okay, and how much is the discount? That's 2%. 2% of 2,500,000. So, 2,500,000 times 2%, it's 50,000. So, minus. So, that's 2,450,000. So, muna na siya ang net amount. That's why the entry on upon the sale would be debit to accounts receivable, credit sales or sales revenue, 2,450,000. Unlike the previous problem, diba, we're using the original accounts receivable because this uses the gross method. For this one, this according to the instruction, it uses net method. For number 2, assuming it was able to collect on February 24. So let's compute what would be the last day of the discount period. So plus 10, that would be 24. So February 24 ang last day. Ni bayad man siya February 24, so therefore na ay discount. But since na minus naman na to daan ang discount pag record na sa sale, so just simply close the accounts receivable nga 2,450,000. Dili na ta mag-deduct na sad og another 2% ha. Wala na i-deduct. Kay man naman siya og deduct og 50,000. Number 3, what if March 10 gibayaran? Okay? So, kung March 10 siya, so nilapas na siya sa February 24 nga deadline. So, therefore, there's no discount supposed to be. Diba? So, therefore, kung walay discount, pila may atong i-collect from our customer, i-collect na to ang entire amount nga 2,500,000. So, debit cash 2,500,000, but we will close the accounts receivable nga 2,450,000. Dili 25 atong i-close. Kay kung 25 atong i-close ani magka credit balance ka 50,000. So, dili man na to i-credit balance si accounts receivable ani. Kay na close naman, ma-close man dapat in full. So, 2,500,000, yeah, credit 2,450,000, and then we're going to add another account title which is sales discount forfeited. So, that's 50,000 pesos. Raven Company started business on March 2020. Sales for the first year is 4 million. The entity priced its merchandise to yield a 40% gross profit based on sales. Industry statistics suggest that 10% of merchandise sold to customers will be returned. So, na ay 10% nga pwedeng iuli. The entity estimates sales returns based on the industry average during the year. Customers return the goods with sales price of 300,000. So first is we'll record the sales. So the sales would be debit accounts receivable, credit sales revenue, or you can just simply credit sales. So that's 4 million. And then to record the returns, the actual returns is 300,000. So debit sales return and credit accounts receivable, 300,000. Then, to establish the allowance, so we'll start with the original amount, 4 million ang original nga sales times 10%, that's 400,000, and deduct the actual returns nga 300,000, so the balance or the needed allowance for the sales returns would be 100,000. So, debit sales returns 100,000, credit allowance for sales returns. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with the latest video lessons. Thank you for watching.